Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Crosstrek air filter. First, ensure your vehicle is off and parked on a level surface. Gather your new engine air filter and a flathead screwdriver, though often no tools are needed. Wearing gloves can help keep your hands clean. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your engine's performance and fuel efficiency, so let's get started. Now, open your Subaru's hood and secure it firmly with the prop rod. Look for the large black air filter box, typically found on the passenger side of the engine compartment. This box houses your engine's air filter. To access it, simply release the two metal clips located on the top of the housing. These clips usually just snap open with a firm pull or a gentle pry with a screwdriver. With the clips released, gently lift the airbox cover and slide out the old, dirty filter. Take a moment to observe its orientation. The new filter needs to go in the same way. Now, carefully insert your new air filter into the housing. Make sure it sits flush within the box, with the rubber-sealed side positioned correctly towards the engine's air intake. This ensures a proper seal and optimal filtration. Once the new filter is in place, carefully realign the airbox cover. Ensure the tabs at the bottom of the cover slide into their corresponding slots on the housing. Then, firmly press the two metal clips back into place until you hear them securely latch. Double-check that the cover is sealed all around. This simple task helps your engine breathe better. And speaking of upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.